musty here. Figured it'd be interesting to show you the fun that we have going on today. I will say the camera is kind of cutting out some of the snow fog that we got going on. Hear the wind moving through the trees. Of course, sunlight trying to peek through. It's very wintry looking house. We'll walk to the bar. I'm amazed how well this camera makes it look. I should just look at the camera and see where I'm going. Cuts out the video pretty good. Yeah, you can kind of see my driveway. The road is not very visible anymore. You can kind of make out. Throw snow here, black this fall. Poor wheel cap's almost covered there. Ready to drop my water jug. Frick through all the snow. Some stuff down here. There we go. Bring some water jugs out for the birdies. See, we have those trees. Nice windbreaker, we'd really be screwed. In that direction, there's just a whole lot of nothing. And that tree we have over there keeps creaking like crazy, so I really hope nothing falls off of it. A lot of lines coming this direction by there, so I can hear them rubbing and everything. So yeah, fun times. I have to take my glove off so I can stop the video.